friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix EA Sports Madden NFL 27 game not launching or not opening, won't start, stuck on black screen, error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you have to go below and here you will find the requirements to play the game. These are all the required specs that is mentioned over here. Make sure you check all of these requirements before you launch the game, and after that try to play it and see if it's launching or opening or not. Next method is to restart PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So once your PC and Steam restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. After that you have to run Steam as administrator. So for that you have to go to the search option. Here you have to search for Steam and click on run as administrator. After that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it is working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, this time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that you have to go to the search option. From here you have to search for a device manager. After that here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If you are an NVIDIA users, you have to open this link and after that click on the download option. This will download NVIDIA graphics card. After that you have to update it or install it and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when the graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the search option. Here you have to search for Windows security. After that here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check. If any update is available, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users just go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. If it is enabled you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next is to move the game to SSD. So make sure your game is installed on SSD. If it is not installed, you can suffer from several kinds of issues while playing the game. You can easily check it. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that click on storage and here you will find whether a game is installed on SSD or on other drive. If it's on other drive you have to select it and after that click on move option. So this will move the game to SSD. After that install it and check if you can play it. Next is to install the latest patch or update. So if there is any latest patch updated or if the game needs any kind of update, then you are suggested to do it. immediately. So here you can see an update option is available. Simply click on it, wait for some time. Once the game is updated, now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to install Visual C++ file. So for that I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, and wait for some time. Once it is finished, close this. After that you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check. The next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the driver a game has been installed, select custom size. In the initial size type 12288, and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, you have to select it, and after selecting it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall EA SPORTS Madden NFL 27 game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that you have to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into it and reinstall EA Sports Madden NFL 27, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or launching or not.